This is number 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs North, Polokwane City North. My brother, what's your name? Where do you come from?
You're speaking to remember, I'm coming from Tembisa, but originally from Guyana, Polokwane.
Okay, no, thank you very much. How do you feel about the game tonight?
Pretty much disappointed, but then at the end of the day, I give the credit to the guys.
Yeah.
Because at least it's a draw, it's not a lose, especially at home. Yeah, and then I would also like to thank our Pune for everything that he contributed to Kaizer Chiefs brand.
Yeah.
And also give the credit to the young boy who Funde Vlakas who Uprikato. Yeah, whatever he has now. I wish he can show it also even next season.
Next season,
Yeah. Actually, that's a potential. That boy. We see the potential on that boy.
No, thank you very much. And who was your man of the match?
My man of the match, yeah, I can give it to Sithebe.
Sithebe.
Was there, from the start up until the end.
No,
he never lost the lane or the road.
No, thank you very much, my brother. Let's hope that next season your team will come back strong.
Yeah, that's what I'm also hoping for, because that's our team. And then there's no way that we can do. There's nothing that we can do.
Exactly. You have to support them. They need you. Yeah.
And also we have to start fresh and then rebuild the team and get a new coach if ever it is possible. But also get recruit maybe some few players, not more players, few players, because we have the potential on that team.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best in future. Thank you. For sure.